Our other poet is here to bring you all flashbacks into MLK's life and educate you as she's educating herself. Presenting Koline Govergo.
Hi, my name is Koline, as Florence already said. I'll be presenting my poem. MLK, Martin Luther King Jr. Who was he? He's a Baptist minister, an activist, a spokesman, a leader of civil rights, Black civil rights to be exact. What did he preach? Did he preach dreams? Did he preach equality? Did he preach equity? But that doesn't give me much about him, does it? So who was he? He formed the Southern Christian Leadership Conference. He promoted civil disobedience, led many peaceful protests. He was good, but there was an affair. It was on the DL, but not many could catch their stare. They played it cool. Betty Motts was the name of this fine Jew. It was quoted in the bearing of the cross that their entanglement left King as a man with a broken heart. He never did recover. While Curated sat in the corner and denied the discover, he was good, but he did some bad, but that's not all he had. He was human too. That's kind of vague. He's Black. He was a man. He had a dream. I think he had a fade. I know I'm supposed to say good things only, but what do I say when they only teach the I have a dream story? I mean, don't get me wrong. He did so much great, but when Black History Month comes and someone asks, hey, Kate, what do you know about it? And I say, Martin Luther King Jr. Day? I don't know if I should be asked or if I should be the one to blame, or do I just not know my reins? I'm not tied to the horse like everyone else. I don't know that much about MLK. I was taught in school that I had a dream loud and clear, that little white girls and little Black boys would hold hands and be happy and grinning from ear to ear. I don't know what else to say, but I have a dream. I did my research, ate, and even licked my plate clean. But I'm doing this to pass it on so the younger generations don't go through the same thing. But let me say one thing. I have a dream. Thank you.